Day 6, legs. Just gonna immediately go into some deads real quick, and then I'll see you after that, whatever it is. Okay. All right, we just jumped up to 275. I'm pretty sure this was my max last time. Hopefully, I can hit at least 5 reps with this one. Yeah. Let me see how this feels real quick, because I actually don't know. I've never used this before. Whoa. This is really weird. Okay. Yeah, 3 plates, but if you want to be exact with it, technically 6 plates. No. All right. Let's closed in real quick. All right, let's go wide actually. I actually don't think we'll go up from here. I think this is fine. We'll see. I'm gonna hurry up and do this because I know we don't have long until this thing fails, but I just did 110 for 8 reps. Um, but here's we're gonna try to jump up some weight actually. So try to hit 5 for max weight. So let's just bust it out real quick. Okay, that was dirty. That was dirty as shit.
I won't be here at this time for a while. I'm gonna be out of town, but because I work at LLB, just out the street.
You say LLB?
LLB, it's a store
Oh,
right
okay.
outside of here. So
Oh,
I
okay.
just come after my shift.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah.
Normally I'm here like 3 o'clock, so I probably won't see you for a while.
Yeah, I'm about to say my schedule's about to change to
See you around, bro.
all right, bro. Shit. Don't come in with that weird shit, bro. All right, bro. Let's just do one more. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's move on. Okay. Just real quick. It's broken. All right, let's go post down. All righty. Okay. Everything is great. Oof. Really good. Oof. All right. Let's get up out of here. Look, so, okay. So, hey, absolutely astonishing second leg day of the rebuild, day 6. Yeah, so absolutely astonishing day 6, second leg day of the rebuild. Absolutely killed it. Did exactly what we said we were gonna do. I'm not gonna lie. The hamstring curls killed me, and they always do. They always kill me, but absolutely killed me to the point where it hurt and I couldn't breathe. Anyways, oh yeah, okay. So amazing. Pump was not really there, but there's a reason for that. But overall, killed it. Strength is coming back tenfold. You know what I'm saying? So great, and we're gonna do it again next time. But I'll see you. What is tomorrow actually? Am I tripping? Is tomorrow back? I'll figure it out, and then I'll see you whenever. I'll see you when. I'll see you when whatever. Oh, okay, whatever. I'll see you.